Want to get your home improvement projects done right without blowing your budget or stressing over finding the right help? Alright, so first off, when you're planning any big home project, start by making a solid list of what you need. Don't date on, just wing it, or you'll end up paying more or missing stuff. Next, always get at least 3 quotes from different contractors so you can compare prices and avoid getting ripped off. Don't just pick the cheapest option either. Check their reviews and ask for references because reliability matters. Before signing anything, read the contract carefully. No one wants surprise fees popping up later. If you're not sure about permits or codes, ask your contractor or local building office to avoid headaches down the road. Keep communication clear and frequent with whoever you hire. Text, call, or email so nothing falls through the cracks. Also, set a realistic budget with some wiggle room for unexpected stuff because it always happens. Finally, don't be shy about asking for progress updates or even popping by to check things yourself. One of the biggest mistakes people make in home improvement is not vetting contractors properly, which leads to shoddy work or scams. Always check licenses and reviews to fix that. Another common issue is underestimating costs and timelines. Projects often take longer and cost more than expected, so build extra time and money into your plan. The third problem is poor communication. When homeowners and contractors are not on the same page, things get messy fast. To avoid that, keep all agreements in writing and stay in touch regularly. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors without all the stress. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who actually need their skills and grow their business.